everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. I'm back again with another new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I DIY my cinnamon oil. This is cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil is part of the oil I use on my skin. I add this to my body cream and I use it on my skin on a daily basis. So it's part of the oil I use on my body. I've DIY this now for over a year now that I've been using this oil. So I've been using this one, and you don't need to preserve it with anything because you're using extra virgin olive oil to DIY this. You don't need any preservative. So this is the one I've been using over a year. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to DIY it. So what you're going to need, you're going to need your cinnamon stick. You're going to need your cinnamon stick. You're going to need your extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to need your jar. You're going to need your jar well cleaned. So this is the one I'm going to use for my DIY. So this is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick, I've got a lot of questions with the last video I did on my black soap. People are asking me the name of cinnamon. What's the name of cinnamon? Cinnamon stick in Nigeria, because I'm Yoruba, I can only give you the name in Yoruba. The name in Yoruba is oloorun. If you go to all those people who sell herbs and roots, when you ask them you want oloorun, it might come wet, but you have to make sure it's dry. You want the dry one, oloorun. If you buy it not dry, you make sure you dry it before you use it to DIY. This is oloorun in Yoruba language. But in every other language, if you want to, like any other way, I don't know, wherever you live, just Google cinnamon in your language. Google is going to give you the name that it is called in your language. But in Yoruba language, it's called oloorun. Go to people that sell herbs and roots and you get it there. So I'm going to use olive oil to DIY my own. You can use coconut oil, but I don't use coconut oil because where I live is always cold and it's coconut oil will get solidified. So I need a running oil. So that's why I use olive oil. But if you live in a hot country, you can use coconut oil. So this is your cinnamon stick, and you're going to open it up. There is no measurement for this, guys. There is no measurement for this. No measurement for this. So you just get your cinnamon stick. This is a cinnamon stick. I'm going to drop it inside my bottle like that. See? I'm just going to put it as much as can go in there. I'm going to make sure I put everything in here. If it can go in, and if they can't go, I'll just leave it. So I think I can only manage it. That's one left out of 100 grams. So the next thing I'm going to put is my extra virgin olive oil. So this is the new one. I'm just going to open it up. And this jar is 500 ml jar. And you cover it. So that is it, cinnamon oil. That is the one I just do now, and this is the one I've got before. So with this one now, before you can use this, you have to keep it for 30 days. You have to leave it for 30 days. But every other day, every 2 days, you go there and shake it. You shake it every 2 days. You go to wherever you put it in a cupboard, put it somewhere that it's just put it in your cupboard. You shake it every 2 days for 30 days. Then after 30 days, it's ready to use. Then you can leave the cinnamon stick inside it. You leave the cinnamon stick inside. People, if you want to use it to sell it, to make it as a business, like to sell it, I'll advise you to leave it for 60 days because you're not going to sell it with a stick. So you can leave it for 60 days then before you start measuring it and start selling it. But if it's for your own use, after 30 days you can just start to use it, because when you use it, you're not going to finish everything at once. So the stick is going to be there for the rest for the time that the oil will still remain. So if you're selling this, I will advise you to leave it for 60 days. But if you're using it for your own use, after 30 days you can start using it. So that is it today. Cinnamon oil is really good for your body. It's a good oil for your body. It lightens up your skin as well. So those are the natural ingredients that lighten up your skin. I don't use any bleaching cream. I use all this oil, natural things, and I'm really enjoying my skin. I enjoy myself. I like the way my skin looks so much. Thank you so much for watching my video, and catch you up in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video with family and friends. And I'm on Instagram at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. I'm on Facebook at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Catch you up in my next video. Bye.